Hello everyone, welcome you all. So in this topic we are going to cover configuration of document management in the D2. So we are going to cover these five topics: creation of rules while document check-in, check-out, and creation of subscription, and relationship and auditing. So all these are all the topics we're going to cover here. First will be like configuring rules for check-in document. For example, when we're trying to configure the check-in, some document needs to be versioned as minor or some document needs to be versioned as major. So those configuration we can set up using check-in rules. In checkout rules, we can set some conditions like only the current document needs to be checked out, remaining documents cannot be. So in that case, we need to set some dialog messages. Next, auditable events. So auditable events, any any check-in or check-out or property page changes should be stored under audit event. So here we will see how to configure those auditable events. And the object relationship is nothing but in this project here. For example, we take a project for quality management. Here there are two types of relationship they are configuring. One is for interest. Based on the content similarity, the object will get related. Another one is relation. Based on the property values, the object will be related. So next is subscription. So any document when it get check in, user wants to be get updated. In that case, he can create one subscription option. So we going to configure for check-in operation and the structure import. So we're going to cover this topic. First, let's see check-in rules using the quality management application concept. Here the request is like major version number cannot be used. So whenever user try to check in, always minor version will get create. So file new check-in. This is the option to create. So you have to enable display log entry and request log entry to allow user to update some description whenever you do the check-in. So D2 also provide some options to configure the column. Next, go to checkout. For the quality management application example, so user want to be forbidden the checkout for non-current version. So file new checkout is the option. You can create the name, description, select the application, select the type. In condition, it should be r underscore version underscore label should be current. If does not, dialog page has to be displayed. So here you have to enter the dialog message like non-current version should not be supported, like that. Next, audit. So in this example, we are enabling check-in, check-out, save property should be covered under audit. So you can create file new audit. There you can select the application and select the event. For check-in, D2 underscore check-in, D2 underscore checkout, D2 underscore property page. So this is how you can configure the audit. For user to view the audit trail, they must be granted view audit extended privilege. Then only you can see able to see the audit. Next, relationship. Here using composer, we can configure the created relation type to the respective repositories. In this example, they have created interest relationship, reference relationship. Interest relationship is mapping the two documents based on the content interest, and the reference relationship is mapping the two documents based on the property relationship. So you can configure the relationship using tool, relation, relationship type, whatever imported in the using composer, and multiple relationships should be enabled. The controlled relationship can only created through a property page. So next is subscription. So as I said, subscription can be automatically added based on some condition also. So in this example, user wants to be subscribed set of documents whenever the check-in operation. So can configure it under file new subscription. It's structure import. Structure import is similar to creating the document. The auto linking, naming, security rules concept will be applicable. Here the user creator have the delete permission as well. So these five topics we see in today D2 configuration of document management, check-in rules, checkout rules, how to set the audit, and how to set the relationship and the subscription. So remaining topics only life cycle or flow distribution, search, client UAE is printing. We will see in upcoming days. Thank you.